Onslaught FastCap should be mixed at 1/2 ounce per gallon for routine maintenance and 1 ounce per gallon for cleanouts. For maintenance applications, use 1/2 ounce of Onslaught FastCap per gallon of water applied as a broadcast or perimeter spray to reduce residual populations while minimizing cost and non-target exposure. For cleanout situations where infestation is heavy, increase to 1 ounce per gallon and apply more thoroughly to harborage areas, baseboards, cracks and voids, and around exterior entry points. When treating large properties, calculate total gallons needed by estimating coverage rates on the label and multiplying to ensure you do not underdose. Always measure product with an accurate graduated cup or syringe to maintain consistency. If surfaces are porous or heavily soiled, pre-clean or apply a longer contact treatment, and consider a spot treatment at higher water volumes rather than over-concentrating the insecticide. Rotate or supplement with nonpyrethroid products to manage resistance, especially if you see reduced knockdown, and use baits or growth regulators as part of an integrated pest management plan. Always follow the product label for maximum application rates per acre and re-entry intervals, and document your mix ratios and applications for future adjustments. Common mistakes include underdosing, which gives poor control and promotes resistance, so always measure and stick to 1/2 ounce per gallon for maintenance and 1 ounce per gallon for cleanouts. Overdosing to try to compensate for poor application can damage plants or cause unnecessary exposure, so increase coverage or frequency rather than concentration and follow label limits. Not accounting for water quality and tank compatibility can reduce efficacy, so perform a small jar test with your water and any tank mix partners before filling the spray tank and rinse equipment thoroughly between product changes. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors relevant to pest control and other home services, and we provide tools to help compare providers and post-project needs. We also host a discussion community where we, our members, and contractors exchange real-world experience, ask questions, and share application tips and local considerations.